Today we will learn about arc welding and spot welding robots. Robot welding is a process of joining different materials. The large bulk of materials that are welded are metals and their alloys, although welding is also applied to the joining of other materials such as thermoplastics. Welding joins different metals or alloys with help of a number of processes in which heat is supplied either electrically or by means of a gas torch. There are two types of robot weldings. 1. Arc welding. 2. Spot welding. Arc welding. Arc welding is performed by skilled workers who are assisted by a person called fitter. The working condition of the welder is typically unpleasant and hazardous. The arc from the welding process emits ultraviolet radiations which is injurious to human vision. Because of the hazards for human workers in continuous arc welding, it is logical to consider industrial robots for the purpose. Benefits of robot arc welding: greater quality of product, improved safety and quality of work life, higher productivity. Features of arc welding robots: work volume and degrees of freedom, motion control system, precision of motion, programming, interface with other system. Spot welding. Robot spot welding. For larger works on spot welding, the welding guns, with cables attached, is quite heavy and can easily exceed 100 pounds in weight. To assist the operator in manipulating the gun, the apparatus is suspended from an overhead hoist system. Even with this assistance, the spot welding gun represents a heavy mass and is difficult to manipulate by a human worker at high rates of production desired on a car body assembly line. Benefits of robot spot welding: improved product quality, operator safety, better control over production operation. Features of spot welding robots: robots must be relatively large. It must have sufficient payload capacity to readily manipulate the welding gun for the application. The work volume must be adequate for the size of the product. The robot must be able to position and orient the welding gun in places on the product. Thanks for watching this video.